In this video, you will learn how to create delivery options. Let's navigate to the left sidebar and click Settings. Then, click Shipping and Delivery. Under General Shipping Fees, click Add Regional Shipping Fees. Scroll down and click Add Shipping Zone. You can enter the zone name and select the regions that are included in this shipping zone. Once done, click Create. Next, click Add Shipping Rates. Enter the shipping rate name. It is optional for you to fill in the freight service and additional description. You may tick this box if your logistics supports cash on delivery. Below it, there are 3 charging methods for shipping: fixed shipping, first and additional weight, and first and additional articles. You can select the shipping charging method based on the products. Let's click the radio button for fixed shipping. Enter the amount for shipping rate and click Save. Then, click Update at the top right. Your delivery option has been updated successfully.